If you're wondering how to set up sales goals and track progress in your CRM, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk through the exact steps to set up clear, achievable sales goals and how to track your progress to hit those targets efficiently. Stick around until the end because I'm going to share a powerful tip that will take your sales tracking to the next level, and you can follow along with an exclusive free trial of the software we're using today, only for viewers of my channel. First, let's talk about setting up sales goals in your CRM. To start, you need to define what success looks like for your team. This might be revenue, number of deals closed, or customer acquisition. Be specific. For instance, instead of setting a vague goal like increase sales, set a goal like close 20 deals this month, or generate $100,000 in revenue this quarter. Clear numbers give you something concrete to aim for. Once you have your goals defined, it's time to input them into your CRM. Look for the goals section in your software. This will be where you can create specific goals, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Add in the number of sales or revenue you want to achieve and set deadlines. You can even break down larger goals into smaller, more manageable targets, like weekly or daily quotas. This keeps things actionable and keeps your team on track. Now, let's move on to tracking progress. Your CRM should have reporting tools that show you real-time updates on how close you are to hitting those goals. Make sure your team is updating their data regularly so that your CRM can give you an accurate picture of your performance. Set up notifications or reminders to stay on top of your progress. Most CRMs allow you to create custom dashboards where you can track progress at a glance, which helps you stay focused and identify potential roadblocks before they become bigger issues. Another tip is to automate progress tracking. This will save you time and ensure that no data slips through the cracks. Some CRMs can automatically update your progress based on the activities logged by your team. This feature is especially useful for teams that are managing multiple leads at once or are working on several deals simultaneously. As you're tracking your progress, don't forget to analyze the data. Your CRM will give you detailed reports that can help you see where things are going well and where you may need to improve. Look at things like your conversion rate, the time it takes to close a deal, and how many deals your team is closing on average. This information can help you adjust your goals if necessary and give you insights into what's working and what's not. Before we wrap up, here's your key takeaway. Setting up sales goals and tracking your progress in your CRM isn't just about entering data. It's about defining clear, measurable targets and using the tools available to track and improve your team's performance. To summarize, first, clearly define your sales goals and break them down into manageable targets. Then, input those goals into your CRM and track progress using reports and custom dashboards. Automate where possible and use the data to make adjustments and improve performance. Don't forget to check the description for that exclusive free trial to the software we use today. It's only available to viewers of my channel. Thanks for watching and good luck hitting those sales goals.